channel. Now I'm here today with my mum again, take 2. So if you have not yet subscribed, liked, click on that notification bell yet, please do so and we'll start. Mother?
One version of carioca, a Filipino delicacy.
It's
And then it's our version, so I want to put a young coconut to give more flavor.
rice flour, coconut, water, and this freshly grated coconut. So we're just currently cutting the fine young coconut. Is this a mixing bowl?
Yes.
Have you ever cooked this, Mum?
No. It's our first time to cook. Let's experiment. Now we have to put the glutinous rice. This is 1 kilo.
Is it?
And you can buy it from Asian shop. It's a glutinous flour.
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 The glutinous flour.
So we have to put 1.5 cup grated coconut.
Freshly grated that my dad had prepared earlier.
And we have to put the young coconut, which is optional.
And we also have, whoa, my dad joining us.
Now we have to.
Sorry,
This is the water from young coconut. So I'll just use this to
Pour.
mix.
And what consistency are we looking?
I put 1 cup.
That should be really thick.
Thick.
Because it's
Thick.
Oh, the
You need,
ball.
because you need to roll it.
Oops, I spilled it again. We're all obviously in quarantine at the moment in Australia and just have each other's.
Or
What are
you
you
want to
doing?
put peanut butter.
Just putting
I think that's
anything.
enough.
You.
No, you to mix it like that and squeeze it. Yeah,
So we're looking for like a doughy.
yeah. Something like that. Like a dough.
My goodness.
Good. Until you reach the right texture, you know. Dapat
Oh, I just cracked my my
you should
knuckles.
use the ano,
Woohoo! This. And then what?
Just pinch about this size. Oh no! Don't do that. Go like this.
Grab a
Roll it to your
tablespoon,
hands.
like so, like that size. Slam it onto your hand, and then create a ball. I think my balls are getting smaller. So once once they've all been rolled up, we're gonna be deep frying them, and then once it's been deep fried, we would need to create or make the caramel kind of sauce. Me speak no English. All right, last ball. Hello, Mom. Dad. So that's it. Well, that's not it, but that's done for that step.
This is just a small one.
So now we're just gonna deep fry it, which I'll show you next. Alright, so to know that your oil is ready, put a wooden spoon in the oil and then you'll see it. I'm not too sure if you could see it, but you'll see that bubble up. That's when you know it's ready and it's hot. I'll begin the cooking process. Alright, so to know when they're cooked is basically this color. As you can see there, it's golden brown. Now I'm just gonna add it to our tray with paper towel so that paper towel can soak the oil. My thing melted. Oopsie daisy, silly me. Okay, so now we'll be making the syrup, the caramel syrup for our karaoke.
You shake it well and then pour some. Stir it. The sugar.
According to taste.
Better to have extra.
Calamansi
Skin.
skin. So this is it, the end result, our karaoke. Now the taste tests.
Yum.
Yum.
Sarap ng pagkagawa ko ng sauce.
If you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. And then during this quarantine, we'll see what else we can make. We are open to suggestions on what to cook, so please feel free to comment down below. Let me know if you guys tried making the recipe. I would love to see what your outcome and your thoughts are. So hopefully you guys stay safe. See you again. Bye.